SCRIB3D P1 3D printing pen with display, consumer 3D pen. Retailer listings frequently show it around $34.99 at big box sellers. I had a blast taking this pen for a spin. Well, mentally, seller pages and product specs are where I pulled the facts. The SCRIB3D P1 positions itself as an affordable, feature-packed 3D pen that works for hobbyists, crafters, and families who want a step beyond toy pens. Its retail pages highlight a stepless speed control that's useful when you switch between delicate detailing and quick infill work, plus a small display and an intuitive button layout that makes it easy to control feed and speed. The box commonly includes a handful of starter PLA filaments, a project guide, and a stencil book, so right away you've got a low barrier to starting projects. It's not marketed as a prosumer tool for industrial prototyping, but for makers, modelers, and creative folks who want immediate, tangible results from a pen-style device. The SCRIB3D sits in a very attractive price-capability sweet spot. Talking about user impressions, folks tend to praise the pen's feel, the speed control, and the value, bundled filament and guides. That said, as with most filament extrusion pens, some users mention the occasional need to clean the nozzle or deal with a jam if you run old, brittle filament or switch filament types without careful cooling. In my on-camera voice, I'd highlight that learning curve. You get great results once you learn how fast to move, how much filament to feed, and what filaments the pen prefers. Pros: adjustable speed for fine versus fast work, bundled starter kit, approachable price point. Cons: occasional nozzle maintenance, and not a replacement for an actual 3D printer if you need dimensional precision or functional parts. If you are making art, repairs, or quick prototyping for visuals, this is fun and practical. Grab a spare filament pack while you're at it. And yes, we share by links in description box.